check the door and surrounding entry points before you do anything else. Before beginning any cleaning task in a commercial building, we always perform a quick security and safety sweep. Start by closing and locking the entry door behind you while keeping your key or access card on your person to avoid being locked out. Walk the immediate perimeter of the interior entry area and inspect windows, secondary doors, loading docks, and roof access for signs of forced entry or hazards like broken glass or spilled liquids. If the facility has alarm codes or a security app, share the correct status with the floor supervisor and arm or disarm systems only as authorized. Keep lighting on in the zones where you will be working and carry a flashlight for dark corridors so you can spot trip hazards, exposed wiring, or displaced floor mats. If anything looks wrong, stop, notify building management, and document what you found with a quick photo and brief written note before continuing. Common mistakes include assuming a locked door is secure when a lock is damaged or propped open, so always physically test locks and inspect the frame to confirm integrity. If you find damage, report it, and cordon the area if needed. Another frequent issue is neglecting secondary access points like loading bays and roof hatches, so add those to your initial sweep and secure them if open or report them if compromised. Cleaners sometimes disable alarms or ignore access protocols to save time, which risks safety and liability. Follow the building's security procedures, log any system changes, and do not share codes casually. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find job leads related to projects like cleaning and maintenance. On our site, we host a discussion community where members share practical tips and local recommendations to make site entry and safety easier for everyone.